Hi, everybody. I'm here with my friend Angela. And Angela, what are you doing? Miss Maria, who are you talking to? Oh, Angela, I'm talking to the reading club friends. I don't see anybody, Miss Maria. Angela, that's because they're at home and this is going to be on their computer or TV. Are you sure? Yes, we've been doing it for a while now, and the kids love looking at our friends on the TV. Oh, well, can I say hello? Of course you can. 2, 4, 6, 8. I think Reading Club is great. Yay, Angela, that was a great welcome cheer. Oh, Miss Maria, I miss everybody. I know, Angela, I miss everybody too, but soon we'll get to see them. I hope so. But, oh, wait, I almost forgot why I came to visit. What? What is it? I wanted to show you something that Karma. Oh, boy. Angela, are you okay? Oh, yeah. Did I get dreamy again? You sure did. Every time I talk about... Don't say his name. Carmine. Ah. Oh, brother. Here she goes again. Angela, wake up, wake up. Angela, oh boy, did I get dreamy again? You did. Well, what did you want to show me? I'll get it. Look, it's a friendship note from Carmine, and it says, Angela is kind. Oh, Angela, that is such a lovely note. It's great to be kind. I was super kind to Carmine. I shared all my toys with him the other day. That's very kind and very good friend. Oh, do you want to read it again for me, Angela? I do. Okay. Angela is kind. Oh, but Angela, I just wanted to tell you something. You see this word right here? I do. That word is read is. No, Miss Maria. I learned when you see the vowel I, you say it. And when you see the S, you say S. So that says Angela is kind. Well, Angela, that is true if you followed all the reading rules, which you are. But I have to tell you something. What, Miss Maria? In Reading Club, some words are rule breakers. Say it ain't so! It's true. Some of the words don't follow the rules. Wait a second. You mean the word is a rule breaker? It is. It is. You see, the Z said it was okay for S to borrow his sound. I never heard of such a thing. Well, wait a second, Angela. Don't you share your toys with your friends? I do. Well, Z and S are friends. And Z said, you can borrow my sound in the word is. Oh, well, that was kind. It was. Okay, but Miss Maria, how am I going to remember all this stuff? Angela, you just keep practicing like you did for your t-shirt words. Oh, yeah, I did have to practice my sight words a lot to earn my t-shirt. You did, but you did it. I did. I really tried hard. All right, Miss Maria, I'm going to really try hard to remember that is a rule breaker. And you know what, Angela? When you see it enough and you try to read the word is, it just doesn't sound right. You're right, Miss Maria. It doesn't. Angela is kind doesn't sound as good as Angela is kind. You're right. So I hope you enjoy practicing your new rule breaker word. I will, Miss Maria. And can I say goodbye to the friends? You can. Bye, Reading Club friends. I can't wait to see you again. And hey, maybe I'll see you wearing your t-shirt. I'll wear my t-shirt too. Bye-bye. Bye, Reading Club friends. See you soon.